Are you starting to worry about losing your widow's peak up in the clouds? To be honest, I wasn't until Jag pointed it out.
Are you worried that your bald spot is going to grow until you look like Friar Tuck? I know I am.
In this video, we're going to give you 2 recipes that are better than your shampoo, conditioner, Rogaine, and Propecia put together.
Without any of the nasty side effects.
What up, warriors? I'm Alex.
And I'm Jag!
And this is
the Balanced Warrior Project! Awkward fist bump.
As you may have guessed, we've had some concerns about our receding hairlines.
And so we've taken it upon ourselves to figure out how to reverse this problem.
The 3 causes of hair loss are
an excess of DHT in the scalp,
buildup of calcium deposits in the scalp,
and a lack of blood flow to, you guessed it,
the scalp. As it turns out, the big brands that are mostly used to reduce baldness have horrible side effects.
They suck!
Minoxidil, the main ingredient in Rogaine, can cause dry scalp, dark circles under your eyes, and itchy scalp.
Oh, dude, I think I might have those symptoms. Finasteride, the ingredient in Propecia, lowers your testosterone. That means a loss of sex drive, weak boners, and a decrease in sperm volume. So you ain't having no babies if you're using finasteride to grow your hair.
And the last thing, which blew my mind, is that to break up calcium deposits in the scalp, people recommended soaking your hair in dishwasher detergent mixed with lemon.
Dog, people don't give a fuck about their body.
They really don't. We didn't even need to look that one up to say that's disgusting and you shouldn't be doing it to yourself. What if we told you you can cure all of these problems without any of those nasty products or side effects?
Sounds too good to be true? It's not.
Hey warriors, we'll get right back to our hair saving recipe in just a minute, but we wanted to take a moment to ask you a serious question.
We started the Balanced Warrior Project to help create a holistic approach to living well.
And we want to share that with as many people as we can. And we wanted to ask you today, what's one habit that you're struggling to break that's getting in the way of your health?
Post it in the comments so we can help those of you that ask for it. Our cure for hair loss is going to replace your shampoo and conditioner with 2 simple recipes.
And these are going to eliminate your need for any other products with no negative side effects.
No negative side effects?
That's right, no negative side effects.
Most shampoos and conditioners contain a lot of chemicals that remove good oils from your hair.
We're going to use apple cider vinegar and bentonite clay instead. We're going to take 1 cup of bentonite clay and 2/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar and mix those together into a paste. So next, we're going to divvy them up into 2 mason jars so Jag and I each have our own hair masks. Bentonite clay has a strong negative charge, which means it's going to help remove metals and toxins from your hair and scalp. Apple cider vinegar is naturally very effective too at breaking down calcium deposits in your scalp. Alright, so we now have our 2-ingredient shampoo replacement, which you should use once a week.
Yeah, you don't need to shampoo more than twice a week.
Maximum. Our next recipe is a daily rinse that's going to replace your conditioner. Combine all of these oils into one simple recipe. Tea tree oil.
AKA Melaleuca.
Melaleuca. Tea tree is going to declog your hair follicles and help to clean your hair. Peppermint. This is the one that's going to replace Rogaine. It's even better for improving blood flow, and it has none of the negative side effects. Next, we're going to use rosemary essential oil, and it's going to block DHT in the scalp, but not in the rest of your body, so it's not going to give you a hit to your testosterone.
So you get boners?
You can still get boners with rosemary oil.
Damn, rosemary.
And our last ingredient is going to be argan oil. This is really useful if you have frizzy hair like mine, and it's a powerful conditioner. This is going to be a good boost to your overall hair health. Now, we're just going to pour our miracle rinse into our spray bottles. You just want to give these a shake before you use them to make sure all of the oils are blended in properly. So that's it. That's our 5-ingredient rinse that's going to replace conditioner, Rogaine, and Propecia all in one.
Smells like tits.
does not smell like tits. But it does smell great. And if you want, you could make your tits smell like this.
I hate you today.
Hey, don't spray my tits. I don't want my tits to smell like this. I just got my hair wet and I'm about to apply our apple cider vinegar and bentonite clay hair mask. Once you've finished letting it sit for 5 minutes, you're going to go ahead and massage out your scalp as you rinse the bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar out of your hair. Make sure you keep the shower at a really cool temperature so that you're not stripping the natural oils out of that hair. In the middle of your shower, apply our rinse. You're going to just take a few spritzes and then rub that in and let it sit for a couple minutes.
That's it, warriors! Thanks for watching!
Go ahead and leave us a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment, tell us what you think, or of course tell us about habits you want to break. And then subscribe for more awesome content.
And because you love us.
Thanks for watching. This has been another episode of The Balanced Warrior Project!
Yo, bro.
What up?
Your pits smell. Don't you have some holistic organic thing for your armpits?
As it happens, I do. I will not be ranking about 3 seconds because of this coconut oil based deodorant that I made last year.
Is that gonna be a video?
Maybe it will! That's it. Thanks for watching. Wait, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Check that out. Just a little bit on the finger.
Rub it into those
Look at
pits.
that smelly pit.
Rub it into those pits, man. Let me smell.
Smells
Let me
like
smell.
peppermint. Smells like peppermint.
Delicious.
Delicious.